nearly 50 years, I've dedicated myself to chasing a dream.
Sweetie, let's have some cake.
Yeah!
Sweetie, make a wish.
Come on, think about what you want.
I hope Mom and Dad get me a big fluffy teddy bear. Oh, wait! I think I want a blue princess dress. I'm sure I'll look pretty wearing it.
I firmly believe that every dream is worth protecting.
Hey, old pal. It's been so many years. Come on, let's grab a drink.
Let's get hammered.
Honey, what color do we pick for the sofa?
How about white?
White gets stains easily. Let's go with red.
All right, I'll go with your choice.
Hey Mom, I got you 2 boxes of milk, so you and Dad can enjoy a glass each every morning.
I hope these supplies can help you return to normal life as soon as possible.
I consistently give my best with every delivery. I am RTD, and I am committed to delivering for good for every dream. As a new wave of technological revolution and industrial transformation deepens, smart manufacturing has emerged as a driving force behind China's manufacturing power strategy, supporting the transformation and upgrading of enterprises, leveraging both national policies and market development. China's smart manufacturing industry has sustained long-term high-speed growth. With this context, intelligent logistics stands out as a crucial technology, offering substantial development opportunities and market potential. Starting from contributing to the construction of China's first automated three-dimensional warehouse, RTD has for over 40 years upheld the philosophy of delivering for good, pursuing excellence. RTD concentrates on the research, design, manufacture, and integration of intelligent logistics systems, and has established a comprehensive business framework covering warehouse logistics, production logistics, logistics equipment, and customer service. It caters to clients across diverse industries such as chemical fiber, glass fiber, food and beverage, home appliances, machinery and electronics, pharmaceuticals, new materials, daily necessities, textiles, petrochemicals, distribution logistics, and more, offering them end-to-end turnkey services. It has now emerged as a leading enterprise in the intelligent logistics sector. RTD takes it as a mission to make logistics more accurate, faster, and simpler. Relying on independent research and technological accumulation over decades, the company has mastered a variety of core technologies, including intelligent logistics process technology, planning, integration, and digitization technologies, as well as software information and control technologies for different industries. It has garnered more than 10 provincial and ministerial level science and technology awards, such as the Second Class Award of the State Science and Technology Progress Award. Its research and development achievements have been widely applied in logistics systems and equipment, resulting in over 30 industry-specific solutions. In this context, its intelligent logistics solution for the production of chemical fiber filament has pioneered the establishment of a logistics system that encompasses the entire process of filament manufacturing, boasting a technological level and global market share significantly ahead. The company has been entitled by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology as a single champion example enterprise in manufacturing industry. With extensive industry experience and robust integration capabilities, in recent years, RTD has successfully implemented a series of benchmark projects characterized by large-scale, strong industry relevance, complex processes, and high execution difficulty. This has resulted in the establishment of long-term cooperative relationships with leading enterprises in numerous segmented industries, contributing to propelling the Chinese manufacturing industry toward transformations, upgrades, and global recognition. In the realm of intelligent logistics, management and control take precedence. RTD has iterated its logistics control systems and industrial software over several decades, resulting in stable, reliable, and extensible intelligent logistics software products with independent intellectual property rights. These products seamlessly connect systems, enterprise business chains, and data chains, spanning from data collection and fusion to intelligent process collaboration, system optimization, and efficient, centralized management of production and logistics decisions. In this regard, RTD remains at the forefront of the domestic industry. With a firm belief that an enterprise should be guided by talent in advancing in its development, RTD places great emphasis on talent development. With several national-level industry experts, it has nurtured a professional team with high competence, strong technical skills, and a balanced age structure. This team is responsible for driving the high-quality development of the company's business. And as a result, RTD consistently ranks at the top of the industry in metrics such as per capita sales revenue and per capita net profit. The unwavering pursuit of becoming a world-class enterprise in advanced logistics technology and equipment defines RTD's development vision. Aligned with the emerging trends of industry upgrading and logistics development, the company will continuously intensify research and development innovation. This effort aims to foster the development and application of emerging technologies in intelligent logistics, thereby advancing the high-end development of the business and enhancing its ability to construct intelligent logistics solutions for even more industries down the road. Simultaneously, the company will strengthen its self-research and production capabilities for critical logistics equipment and progressively refine its nationwide marketing and service network. This effort aims to boost profitability and elevate service levels while ensuring sustainable development. Aligned with the national mission of creating world-class specialized and innovative example enterprises, RTD remains committed to its original goal of making logistics more accurate, faster, and simpler. RTD is dedicated to advancing the national manufacturing power strategy, supporting the transformation and upgrading of the manufacturing industry. Through the promotion of intelligent warehousing logistics and intelligent production logistics, and supported by technological innovation and capital operations, RTD aims to integrate the industrial chain, enhance the value chain, and showcase the prowess of Chinese intelligent manufacturing on the global stage.